and we need to, as a profession, need to get better at lung sounds. That's one thing that I feel that, for some reason, there's apps out there now. There's YouTube videos. You can put your stethoscope on the speaker and hear these lung sounds that we're talking about. But it's just oscillation is being underutilized so much.
There's a company out there that actually has a set of stethoscopes where a trainer can pick what sounds you hear as you press to help do that training too.